My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Bmw i8. This vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid, 362 horsepower and just under 40,000 miles on the clock. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control and automatic headlights as features. On the right we have voice control and automatic wipers. Moving onto our screen, we can access our main features, which include media, radio, Bluetooth and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. The i8 also comes with two different driving modes to choose from: Comfort and Eco Pro. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.